The roll cage on the back as well, everything.
Yeah, so this one, like I say, it's got the track pack on it.
Oh, right.
So like I say, it's as track focused and as hardcore as it gets for this stuff. What do you drive on the road, dude?
I've got a Mercedes C-Class, only 250D, so nothing like this.
Right, you like it though?
It's good, yeah.
And is that the most recent model C-Class?
Yeah.
Well, what we'll do anyway, before we get on the track or anything like that, we'll first just head down to what we call the dynamic area, just to get you familiar with the acceleration and braking and stuff like that. Now, you may already be aware, but I will just let you know, these GTs aren't actually allowed on the wet circle.
Oh, well, okay.
So for drifting, we'll have to just use the wet straight, alright? But we'll spend, obviously, focus most of our time on the track anyway, alright, dude? You comfortable sat there?
Yeah, it's good. Really low to the floor.
It is, isn't it? Do you know much about these GTRs?
Not too much. Is this 6-litre engines, these ones?
No, so it's the new 4-litre twin turbo.
Oh, right, okay.
Still a V8 though.
Yeah.
Rear wheel drive and 585 brake horsepower.
Oh, wow.
So quite a lot. Like I say, we'll start off on that dynamic area just to really get used to what it drives like. It's the first time I've been in this car today.
Oh, right, okay.
So I don't know how much you're driving, but find it.
Yeah, it's nice and loud. This one.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like a proper race car. You ready though, mate?
Yeah.
Right, let's do it. Good brakes, right?
I'm guessing all carbon ceramics.
No, it's just normal steel brakes. You do obviously have the option on all these AMGs to spec the carbon ceramics.
Yeah.
But for what we're doing, we don't really need them. As you can see, the steels are very, very good, and because we're never braking at much more than about 100 miles an hour, they don't get worn too badly.
Oh, right.
So you don't really need it. At a proper racetrack like Silverstone or something, if we were running there every day, you would need carbon ceramics to put up with.
Is this car road legal? Is it just a track one then? Or?
No, it's road legal.
Oh,
It's
right.
road legal. Let's give it another go though, shall we?
It literally just pulled you back in the chair.
It's mental, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Let's go on the track for a bit, shall we? Now we'll build up to it relatively gentle. Of course, if you start to feel unwell, make sure you let me know, alright mate? I'm sure you'll be alright.
The only thing I've been in a track was a Nissan GTR when I was in Vegas, and I drove down the track, and that was quick enough for me in that one.
Yeah, this will feel a
Never
bit,
been
bit
into
different
something
to
like this before, nah.
Okay, just find some space from the other cars. Cool. Feeling alright though, mate?
Yeah, it's good. Nice in here.
Good stuff. So let's just build up to it bit by bit, shall we?
Is this rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, this car?
No, it's real, mate. You should find some space because
I could feel it literally just drifting around that corner.
Yeah. So because this car's got the rear wheel steering on it as well,
Oh, right.
I feel it just moving around a little bit on the back.
It's very grippy. I can tell the way how fast you're going in the corners.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go. So at the moment the tyres are just generating a little bit of heat as well.
Yeah.
So it will start to get better and better the more laps we do.
this is the same one as that one there, isn't it?
So that's a GTS. So that's a slightly lower model to this one.
This one's more track focused though.
Yeah, exactly. So that's like sort of more of a tamed down cruiser, as it were, in comparison.
So it wouldn't be as crazy as this one here.
No, exactly. So it's a little bit less power. It's a bit heavier as well, and things like that. The track's pretty busy at the moment. We'll go do a little bit of drifting and we'll come back, mate, alright?
It's actually the first time I've actually ever been in like an AMG Mercedes.
Is it?
Yeah.
What do you reckon then?
I've always wanted a C63.
Okay.
I've always wanted that one.
Yeah, it's a lovely car to see, class. Yeah, that's just our little slow track. We're only allowed to go 35 mile an hour on that one.
Oh, right, okay.
That's really just to allow a guest to get used to a car.
Has this car got like launch control and all that stuff?
Yeah, we can do it this time. It's not very good.
What's this one here I saw turning down and that? Is that
So that
traction?
Right. Let's go on the track for a little bit, shall we? We'll do a few more laps and then we'll make our way back, mate, alright?
I'm guessing this is probably your favourite car to take out on the track.
Yeah. So obviously at the moment we got a bit of water on the tyres, so it's going to make it nice and slippery. But as that comes on, the car will start to have a little bit more grip.
taxi. So the moment you're free, your official place is
That was good, yes. Because I saw it online when I was booking it, it could have this car or the AMG. You said that's the S one? This one?
That's a
right?
GTS, yeah.
Yeah, you could have that one or this one. I thought GTL. I think I got this one.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the proper one.
Do you have an event one where you can actually drive this car on the track?
Obviously it costs a lot more, but yeah, I mean you can do that whenever.
I don't know if I was driving this thing, I don't think I was as fast as you did on that car, that's for sure.
Cool, man. I'm trying to reach down there, dude, so I can save you.